Hi friends, Silva Official brings you employment news. Airforce School Upper Shillong Recruitment 2024 Nursery Trained Teacher. Airforce School Upper Shillong Recruitment 2024 Notification. The Airforce School Upper Shillong invites application for the post of Nursery Trained Teacher for the academic session 2024 to 2025. The application deadline is 16 March 2024. Post name, nursery trained teacher. Number of post 1, age limit should be in the group of 21 to 50 years as on 1st July of the academic year in which the post is being filled. Age relaxation as per norms. Salary 12,500 approximately per month. Essential qualification, senior secondary with nursery teacher training diploma in nursery or Montessori or pre-primary teacher training or diploma in elementary education from a government-recognized institution. While candidates with higher qualification may apply, preference is to be given to the candidate with a diploma in nursery or Montessori training. Desirable qualification, due weightage to be given during selection. Basic knowledge of computer application, especially MS Office. Number 2, should be able to read, write, communicate in Hindi. Number 3, experience in arts, craft, cartoon, caricature, puppet making, music, dance, etc. And how to apply for the post of Airforce School, Upper Shillong Recruitment 2024 Nursery Trained Teacher. Interested and eligible candidates are to download the application from available in the school website. Mention posts apply for on top of their application envelope and submit the hard copy and the application form along with certificates and attested copies of academic credential experience certificates to the headmistress, Airforce School Upper Shillong, Headquarter Eastern Air Command, AFPO Nongol Air, Shillong, 793-009, latest by 16th of March 2024. Applicants are advised to go through the Airforce School Upper Shillong Recruitment 2024 Nursery Trained Teacher official notification, and the link will be given below the description. So thank you, and nakabantay gitu ki new subscriber, so babapin press your bell icon and babapin share, like, nang bapin nang yo shubon ki khubor, shubon ki jingtip na kani ka channel janga. God bless you.